Is that all you?
I'm
sorry.
What are you doing here?
I'm doing a non-anesthetic teeth cleaning.
What do we have here that you're working on?
This dog's name is Shakira, actually, and she's a husky mix. I think this is her first time having it done, and she's looking really good so far. A little nervous at first, but after you do it for a couple teeth, they tend to get used to it.
Ooh, it's looking really pretty.
She's got a little fracture on this tooth right here, so that one's always going to look a little funny. But we're getting there. Nice pearly whites underneath all that.
Even if you look there, Bonnie, you can see that there's no erosion or gum recession. It's just kind of dirty teeth, bad breath, and don't have to dig under the gums. Just got to prevent that from happening by removing that calculus that Casey's after now.
Wow, that looks really good. And even though she's a nervous dog, she seems really comfortable.
Exactly. It has to do with the way you hold them, too. Like, they tend to, you just go really slow in the beginning, and then they tend to trust you, you just touch her, you touch the mouth. I'll do an exam first to make sure everything looks okay, to make sure there's nothing that a doctor should look at, like fractures, loose teeth, things like that. And for a nervous dog to let me use the ultrasonic is great.
There's a sneeze.
Sometimes when you lift their lips, they like to sneeze, so. And then I can take this back out now that I've checked the inside, and I'll go back over it with my hand scaler to make sure I didn't miss any little specks that can be left behind. And go under the gum line just a little bit, make sure I don't miss anything. The most important spot.
See, we're still, what Casey's doing there, she's still checking under that gum line to see if there's any kind of pockets or, whatever that you can pick up with the probe that you can't see. But all in all, a very good technique when it's done early enough and often enough to keep those teeth healthy. Once you have bad infections, then you've got to go to sedation and digging under the gum, and that's painful. So dogs and cats feel pain in their teeth, and we didn't used to think so, but they do.
Well, let's check on how you do a regular dental.
Alrighty.